Philmac MegaPHIL float valve is a tough and dependable brass float valve that will stand up to the toughest treatment of large animals while delivering a high flow of water in both high and low pressure environments. For easy installation, Philmac recommends a pair of multi-grips, an adjustable wrench and a pair of pliers. The MegaPHIL float valve comes with a blue protective cap that needs to be removed before installation. The 1.5 and 2 inch valves are supplied with a black high pressure adapter. For low pressure applications, such as this installation, this adapter will need to be removed. You can do this with a pair of pliers. The shut-off pressures are stated on the product label to indicate if you have a high or low pressure application. If you have a high pressure application, make sure the insert is pressed firmly into the valve with your fingers. Before installing the float valve, run your finger around the thread of the inlet to ensure it is clean and free from debris. You may wish to dry fit the valve before applying thread tape to check the fit and thread alignment. Apply a generous amount of thread tape to the thread in the clockwise direction so the entire thread length is covered. Fit the valve to the inlet. In this case, it is a Philmac 2 inch ball valve, but it could be another fitting such as a tank adapter. Once hand tight, use your multi-grips to nip up the valve by the body and ensure it is in the vertical position. You then want to attach the float. Philmac recommends the use of a 9 inch cold water float as standard, but also offer a 9.5 inch turbo float for instances where you may need greater shut-off force. Once the float is screwed on tight, secure the locking nut with an adjustable wrench. To adjust the water level, there is a screw on the front of the float valve body. To raise the water level, turn the screw anti-clockwise. To lower the water level, turn the screw clockwise. Once you are happy with your water level, lock the back nut on the screw using an adjustable wrench. Your Philmac float valve should now be successfully installed, giving you years of trouble-free use.